So, are you ready for the next intestinal pandemics? Well, if you're not a dog, you should not be, worried at this moment. Or if you are, maybe you should listen. So, this is coming from the Veterinary Journal, one of the new articles published actually today or yesterday, the 2nd of July. And it's called The Genetic and Recombinant Heterogeneity of Canine Buffaviruses Detected in Diarrheal Dogs in China, published by Jun Ji and colleagues. And basically what they are saying is that what we have seen for coronaviruses, jumping from basically bats to humans, we have seen this the other way around. So Buffaviruses is a kind of virus. It was identified first time in 2018 in Italy and in child feces with diarrhea. And apparently this spread quite quickly and it was detected again also in Hungary. And what the journal says, what the new paper says, that it was a recombination, and this both in Hungary and in Italy, at a certain point the virus jumped to dogs, and it spread till China, and this is obviously quite worrying. It has a 42% percentage of diarrhea, so this is definitely not nice for the dogs. And the question is, what happens if this jumps back again? Is this as contagious as the first one? 42% is actually quite high, especially if it comes in children, infants, and everyone is connected to it. But it's much more contagious, obviously, if it's coming from a dog that is maybe, in the street or going around and doing its own things in the bushes or whatever. So what can we do at this point? Well, we can study the disease. To do this, we need intestinal cells from dogs. If you are a researcher working in animal health and you would like to have samples, for example, healthy samples from dogs for your studies, then let's make sure that we keep in touch, and you can contact us here in a private message, or you can write us at info@lab4pose.com, and let's have a chat.